Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check the Messenger app version and your OS numbers so you know what to target. Once done, back up chats and media to cloud or a local file. This prevents data loss during fixes. Next, restart the device and toggle airplane mode for 10-15 seconds to clear transient network faults. Make sure to record any error codes you see. Those codes guide the deeper steps that follow and save time diagnosing later. You now run targeted diagnostics and repairs. Clear the app cache first and only clear storage if you've backed up data, because storage reset removes local messages. Once done, revoke non-essential permissions and then grant essential ones like microphone and contacts to rebuild proper access. Next, test network conditions by switching Wi-Fi to mobile data and try a VPN. This isolates ISP or DNS issues. Make sure to watch logs or in-app error messages while performing each step. You finish by reinstalling the Messenger with the latest stable build and only restore backed up data after confirming the fresh install works. Once done, verify contacts, notification settings, and message sync to ensure everything flows correctly. If problems persist, collect app logs and error codes and try signing in on a different device to separate account issues from device issues. This step helps pinpoint whether the problem is server, account, or device related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.